Welcome back to Learn JavaScript on Codecademy. We're in the iterators section. This is the review. Awesome job on clearing the iterators lesson. You have learned a number of useful methods in this lesson, as well as how to use the JavaScript documentation from the Mozilla Developer Network to discover and understand additional methods. Let's review. .forEach is used to execute the same code on every element in an array but does not change the array and returns undefined. .map executes the same code on every element in an array and returns a new array with the updated elements. .filter checks every element in an array to see if it meets certain criteria and returns a new array with the elements that return truthy for the criteria. .findIndex returns the index of the first element of an array that satisfies a condition in the callback function. It returns -1 if none of the elements in the array satisfies the condition. .reduce iterates through an array and takes the values of the element and returns a single value. All iterator methods take a callback function, which can be a predefined function, a function expression, or an arrow function. You can visit the Mozilla Developer Network to learn more about iterator methods and all other parts of JavaScript. Our instructions say if you want to challenge yourself, define a callback function before you use it in an iterator. Chain two iteration methods on the same array. Use the optional arguments in an iterator to include the index or the entire array. Check out MDN's array iteration methods page for more information. Use .reduce to take a multi-layered array and return a single layer array from scratch. Once you guys do that, make sure to practice and go over all the different iterators that we learned in this lesson. And once you feel comfortable, I'll see you in the next course.